Welcome to Cap Industries, I'm Benny, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fit this direct fit fire extinguisher bracket into the VE Commodore behind me. It's only basic hand tools required for the job: a ratchet with a 13mm socket, a trim removing tool, an 8mm spanner, and either an 8mm socket or another ratchet with an 8mm socket. I've also got a torch just to make vision a little bit easier. The first step of installation is to assemble the fire extinguisher and the bracket with the provided 5mm bolts. To install the extinguisher mount, simply remove the inner trim panels on the left hand side of the center console. Next, remove the dash stabilizing supporting bolt. The installation of the bracket is really simple. Just use the existing bolt and sandwich the bracket directly into the body. Then refit the trim. Once the bracket's secure, simply slip the fire extinguisher into the bracket. This is actually a really good sticker because it does inform other people, potentially road users, that you do have a fire extinguisher on board, whether you're in a motor vehicle accident yourself or if you need one on site. So very handy little addition to the kit and something that I quite like.